guess what I figured out? I figured out the unspeakable, the unthinkable, the craziest thing that anyone's ever thought of before. I figured out how to display my phone screen on my computer. It's crazy. Well, I mean, I just searched up a couple tutorials and they said that they use AirDroid, and then wham, we got this. I could record my entire screen. See, I just plugged it in with my USB-C and wham, we got recording. My computer doesn't have to be killed just yet. Hello everybody, I'm Karar, and today we're going to be continuing where we left off on our trivia app. Today we're going to be setting up our editor and hopefully getting into some coding and learning some syntax of Flutter. We'll see if we get there. But yeah, let's jump right into it. Set up an editor. You can build up blah 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 blah. Boring. Okay, so I personally want to use VS Code because I'm really good at VS Code. No, I'm kidding, but I use it for everything. So VS Code we're going to use. Lightweight editor, debug support. Okay, so we start VS Code. Already installed it. Whoops, we don't want to go to Wikipedia. Hold up. Alright, so we got VS Code open. Then what does it say? View command palette. Okay, and then type install, select extensions, install extensions, and type Flutter into the extension search field, select Flutter in the list, and then click install. Okay, so let's do that. View, command palette, install. Oh, right there. Search for Flutter. Install. Very nice. We got our Flutter add-on. Now, what did it say? Validate your setup with the Flutter Doctor. Hey, we got a doctor. Very, very cool, Google. Very cool. We got a doctor. Alrighty, so let's run the Flutter Doctor. So we go to our command palette, and then what we gotta do is we gotta type doctor, run Flutter Doctor. Okay, so 5 categories. Let's see. Okay, so it's connected to the device. We have VS Code. We don't need IntelliJ. We're not using IntelliJ. We don't need Android Studio. We don't want to use Android Studio. Don't need iOS tools. Don't need Xcode. Android toolchain. Some Android licenses not accepted. So we could do. So it says to resolve this, run Flutter Doctor -- Android licenses. Terminal. Flutter Doctor Android app Android devices. That's such good memory. Hold up a minute. Licenses? Did I not? Oh, licenses, not devices. What the heck? So my memory isn't that good, I guess. Oh, yeah. Licenses. Can I spell licenses? Yes, I can. Yes. 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 Nice. Okay, and then we run Flutter Doctor again. So again, IntelliJ we don't need, Android Studio we don't need, iOS 2 we don't need, Xcode we don't need. Very nice. We're ready to move on. Let's move on. Let's see what else we got to do. All right, so we're basically done with this part. So it says take Flutter for a test drive and create our first project. This is going to be very legit. So and experience hot reload. The only thing that's better than a reload is a hot reload. Am I right? Alright, test drive. This page describes how to create a new Flutter app from templates and experience a hot... Okay, whatever. So, we go to command palette, make a new project, make our name, and then select where we put it, and then we wait for our main.dart file to appear. Command-Shift-P is for command palette, new project, webamo, and we call it my app. We're not going to call it Trivia Hat just yet, because I want to test out stuff first. So, let's see. Select a folder to create the project in. That's fine. And then we wait. We wait. This is going to be extremely... How much longer do we have to wait? Oh! Hey! Yeah. Come on. We got this. Oh, all done. No, wait. It's not all done. It says still running. Almost there? Hey, there we go. We're there. So now what? So okay, so we locate the VS Code status bar, webamo, located. Then we select the device from the device selector area, webamo is already selected, in for a good start, and then invoke debugging, start debugging. Start debugging. Oh no, more waiting? Okay, so after that we're supposed to wait, okay, so wait, okay, you know what? Okay, then progress is printed in the debug console window. After the app build completes, you'll see the starter app on your device. Nice little starter app, and then try hot reload. Finally, we get to the cool hot reload. Flutter offers a fast development cycle with stateful hot reload. Oh dang, adding another adjective in there. The ability to reload the code of a live running app without restarting or losing app state. Not bad, not bad. Make a change to the app source. Tell your IDE or command line tool that you want a hot reload and see the change in your simulator or emulator device. So we change the string, we click save all, and then we do hot reload. And then all of it should be updated almost immediately. Okay, profile release run. So debug mode, trades performance for useful. Okay, so it's slow in debug mode, janky animations, very nice vocabulary, Google, in debug mode. And then once you're ready to use the profile or release build modes. And that's, I guess, just once you're done. And the next step, we'll do the next step next video. We're not going to worry about it this time. And hey, our debug has started. So our app is ready. Let us test this boy out. Oh, this is satisfying. Oh, let's see how high we could go, huh? Okay, this should be like my new stress ball. I can literally just take this out in class and just keep squishing it. Okay, I don't actually squish a stress ball in class. I'm not that kind of guy. But this is not. Let's go to 100. Oh, perfect. Okay, we're going to leave it there. And then what it wants us to do is it wants us to change the string. So we go here, and what does it want us to do? So let's find a string to change. So the string's supposed to say you push this button. Oh, there it is. Okay, so you click this button. We save with Command S, and then we click hot reload, which is this lightning button. Harry Potter knows how to hot reload, it must be. Oh, it changed already. Wait, what? I didn't even notice it changed. And our 100 is still there. Dude, we don't even lose progress. We can still go. Okay, you know what? We're doing another 100. We're doing another 100. We need more. We need more. Come on, let's go. 200. Bro, I'm slow at clicking. I suck at cookie clicker. This is not going to work. Come on, come on, come on. Well, blammo, 200. Easy. Okay, nice. Wait, this is actually really cool. It refreshes like immediately and it keeps our app state. That's amazing. Very respectable, Google. I think that Flutter is a pretty cool thing. We'll figure out how to actually write an app next time. But for now, this is what we got. We set up our editor. We set up our running our app on our phone. We set up our hot reloads. Very cool. Nice. That's all I got for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more of this kind of thing, just comment down below what kind of things you want me to do. Hopefully we'll get to the actual app soon. And hopefully we'll have a cool finished product by the end of this series. But yeah, as always, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe for more. Thank you guys again for watching, and see you guys next time.